So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are having queries regarding a team formation. That can we participate individually or do we need to form a team for the Gen AI Academy APAC edition? And some important updates will cover in this video. So make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming over here directly to the Gen AI Academy APAC edition dashboard. And one more important thing, if you don't know about this event, how to participate and what is the criteria, in the description box I have attached the master sheet. From there you can watch these videos and understand about the event in Hindi and in English too. Now just come over here. Here you can see a new section is there, that is a team management. So first of all you need to understand that whether you can participate individually or you need to form a team. So the answer is that you can participate individually. There is no restriction that you need to have at least 2 members or 3 members in your team, or just create a team to be eligible for the swag certificates and prizes. Here you can participate individually too, but if you want to form a team you are free to form, as it will help to distribute the load among all the participants. Like you have to make demo videos, you have to maintain the repository, and the cloud run means you have to host your project also on cloud run. So like this the workload will be distributed, and if you want to work alone means solo, then also you can complete all the things, then no need to create a team. Now here some important things regarding team formation is that once you create a team, whatever your old progress is there will be removed. For example, if you just come to the form section, you can see we have submitted the code labs. Okay, one more important thing, the code lab submission has been extended, so those people who have not submitted it, you can submit it. And the major change is that now it is not required to do the project submission. Okay, you have to only do the hackathon submission. Okay, means the problem statement which is released in the challenge section. Let me just open it. So here you can see this is the hackathon problem statement. You have to build this thing only. Now no need to submit the projects. Okay, so what you have to do, first thing, if you want to form a team, you can form a team. It's very simple. Just click on create and just click on I understand. Here they have clearly mentioned that your old progress will be removed and only the participants who are not a part of any other team can only join. And once you create a team, you cannot join any other teams. Okay, just click on I understand. After that, you have to type the name of the team, add a description and add an image, and just click on create. Okay, now here you have option to invite team members. You can simply copy the link and share with your friends, or you can send an invite to their registered email. From there they will just join and they will accept your invitation. Also you can explore from the public also. You can see around I think 18,000 people have registered in this particular hackathon. Okay, so from here you can just send invite to all these peoples, and then they will be able to join under you. Now most important thing, if you have sent some requests to some of the peoples, it will be listed over here. Now you don't want to form a team, you can simply delete it. Okay, let me just show you a demo how your progress is deleted. As you can see, we have completed the quiz and it's showing ended over here. Similarly, in the form section for the code lab, it is completely empty. So if you want to get your progress back, okay, so if you form a team, first thing understand, you have to redo the step. Just upload the screenshot. You don't have to redeploy your project again, means complete the code lab. If you have saved the screenshot, you can upload it. In case you haven't saved the screenshot, you have to just redo the code lab. Okay, for code labs I have shared in the master sheet only. All the code labs are there. Okay, one more important thing regarding the project, we'll talk about it. I will tell you. First of all, let's cover this. So if you want to participate individually from here, you can just click on leave team. Okay, and just enter the name. Let me just enter the name. So it is deleted. Now you can see your quiz progress is also updated and the form section is also updated, like the code lab which we have submitted. So what you have to submit, actually the output of the agent. Okay, you can see at the console screenshot, or you can just share the agent interaction like this. Okay, any image will be valid. Now after that, if you are facing the issue that the submission page is showing empty, in that case, first of all, you have to do the code lab submission in the form section, then it will be available. Now here they have shared the PPT. You have to use the same PPT. You have to modify the structure, means you have to modify the name, share the ideas over here, all the things you have to explain. In the project submission, I have already shared it. Okay. Now what are the things you have to attach? That a cloud run deployment link, a PPT, GitHub repository where all the codes will be listed over there. One important thing, when you make a repository while sharing the file, make sure you remove all the API keys in the .env file. You have to remove all the API keys and some secrets, whatever you have added, means your project ID is service account ID, all the things you have to delete it, means remove it, okay, directly. Now you have to create a demo video which will be around 3 minutes. Try to make it concise. You have to just do a quick demo and just tell about the agent. So all these things should be done by 8th of April. Okay. So try to do it as soon as possible. And if you want a demo for the particular project, that how we have to do all the things, including all these things. Okay. You can just comment down below. I'll make a video for that. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you're interested in other events, you can always navigate to the channel. We have multi more things available over here.